Now, your First Alert forecast with meteorologist Jordan Ambrose.
Here's a look at airport delays, really minor delays across all of the southeast as of right now, but that will quickly change over the next 24 hours. I expect this to look vastly different from Atlanta to Charlotte to Birmingham to Montgomery, even here in Dothan. That's due to the fact that we are going to see snow. Now, a lot of this, at least further up north, is not necessarily falling. We call that virga. Virga is snow that's falling further up in the atmosphere, but hasn't quite reached the bottom of the atmosphere and at least made its way to the surface. But you see all of that pink, that is winter storm warnings across the southeast, including all of the Gulf Coast, most of the Gulf Coast, or areas like New Orleans, Dothan, Panama City, Houston, even areas near Galveston, Texas, Austin, Texas, and even areas like Charleston, South Carolina. So we're going to see the possibility of record-breaking snow, and this is why temperatures, they definitely support it, sitting at 27 degrees in Ozark, 28 degrees in Dothan, and 33 degrees in Marietta, 32 in Donaldsonville. So much of us already below freezing. Feels even colder, feels like 19 degrees in Dothan, feels like 18 in Troy, and it feels like 16 in Greenville. Now, this will continue to get worse. You're already seeing road temperatures already below freezing, so the issue is how much are we going to warm up over the next 12 hours to see if those road temperatures go up and those air temperatures go up, because if not, then we're going to see accumulating snow a little bit faster than expected. Now, there is the winter storm warning is in effect for all of our counties and extends into southeast Georgia. And here's how things are looking to shape out. I do think around 11 a.m., but models have been kind of trending a little bit faster. Based off what I've been seeing on the satellite and radar, the system might move in a little bit faster than expected, so don't get caught off guard. Might come in as early as 10 a.m., maybe even 11. But if this does come in earlier, this will continue to stick, and I do think there is a chance that we overperform. Already forecasting 3 to 4 inches of rainfall, but I would not be surprised if areas get 5, and I can't even rule out 6 inches of snow in maybe some small isolated spots. I do think this will overperform a little bit due to the moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and that will cause those snowfall rates to drop a little bit heavier, causing temperatures to drop single-digit temperatures, maybe not out the realm of possibility in areas of the Florida Panhandle and closer to the Dothan area as well. This will cause wind chills to be maybe near 0 or below 0 in some spots. Hopefully that does not happen, but that's why we're under that extreme cold warning, as well. Mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies for the rest of your night, but snow will begin maybe as early as 10 a.m., already below freezing. The earlier the snow, the longer it will stick because we don't have time to get that daytime heating. Snow totals at this moment does look like 2 to 4 inches, but I do see the possibility. It doesn't have this on the Barron model. I think the most likely scenario is 3 to 5 with isolated spots over 6 inches maybe in some areas. Road conditions, not bad as of right now, but we're going to watch that later on. Wind chills will drop dramatically. Now, this isn't a forecast, but you see wind chills as low as 1 degree. Now, I'm not saying that will happen, but it's not out the realm of possibility. Take that as a worst case scenario. So that's one thing. That's another thing we're watching, and this could last for a couple days. Expect maybe another extreme cold watch to be issued, or maybe even extreme cold warning if we do see a large snowpack, which could cool temperatures down for not only your Wednesday morning, but even your Thursday morning. This does go to effect tomorrow night and does last until Wednesday at 9 a.m. Low temperatures, I have it currently at 16, but heavily dependent on the snowfall. More snowfall, cooler temperatures, lows could maybe be even lower, and then eventually a big warm-up does occur for your Sunday night going into your Monday. But overall, we're going to continue to watch the weather. It does look like moderate to heavy snow for tomorrow, especially in your afternoon. So make sure any preps that you're doing, get them done tonight. We want you guys to stay home tomorrow. Don't travel on those roadways. Ice will be slick. And then once we get closer to your Wednesday and Thursday, we are going to see maybe a slight warm up. And if we do see a slight warm up, the snow will melt, but then it'll refreeze at the nighttime.